Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to paste a link. First, get the link itself. If it's the current page, click the Omnibox address bar and wait for the full URL to highlight. This ensures you copy the full address. If it's a link on the page, point at the link and use a two-finger tap or right-click to reveal copy link address. You can also touch and hold on a touch-only Chromebook. Once selected, press Ctrl+C or choose Copy to place it on the clipboard. Now move to the app or field where you want the link and make sure the cursor is exactly where the link should appear. This avoids overwriting. If you're in a text box, click or tap once to focus, then press Ctrl+V to paste. For touch, use a two-finger tap and select Paste. If you want a clickable link in rich editors, use Insert Link or Paste and then press Enter. That converts plain text into a clickable hyperlink in many editors. Finish by testing the pasted link. Click or open it in a new tab to confirm it goes to the right page. If nothing pastes, try copying again. Reselect the link and use Ctrl+C, then paste into a simple text field to confirm clipboard content. If issues persist, sign out of the account, restart the app, or reboot the Chromebook. This clears clipboard glitches. Remember, clipboard can be overwritten by other copies, so make sure you don't copy something else before pasting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.